channel and welcome to Golang tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to go through Go slices. So this is a new concept which is not there in as a separate topic in other programming languages, but we can do it in a different way in other languages, but it is specifically mentioned here as a slices, and it is similar to arrays, and but it is more flexible, and you can store multiple values of the same type in a single variable. However, unlike arrays, the length of the slice can grow or shrink. You can increase or decrease as you see fit. Okay, so we can actually see how do we create a slice name. Similarly, create as an array, right? Similar to what we see, okay, with length and data types and values. A common way of declaring is here we are not representing any length, but we are showing that it is an array, my slice, and it starts with 0 and 0 capacity, right? It is a 0 with 0 capacity. To initialize this slice during declaration, then we can actually declare and initialize the values. This is of length 3 of capacity of 3. So you can actually see the length returns the length of size, capacity returns the capacity, number of elements. The slice can grow or shrink. Okay, so this is the capacity, right? You can actually go or shrink to, you can use these parameters to increase, that many can be added or decreased. Okay, so let us actually see this one in the example. So initially we have created a 0 length slice, right? It is a, if you see println, length of my slice 1 is 0, and the capacity is also 0, and the initial value is blank, right? It doesn't have any values. Now we are declaring another slice, okay, and it has a 4, right? Its capacity is 4 with 4 values. Now length is 4 and capacity maximum is 4, and then its values are, Go slices are powerful. Okay, so this is how. Let us actually deep dive further. What is that? So you can create a slice from an array, right? Start to end. My array, start and end. It will take that particular array. For example, 2 to 4, you want to create a slice of a particular array. You can do it. I don't know whether we want to go through this, but let us go through this example, because then only. So we have an integer array of 6 elements, each element 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and we are printing 2 to 4, right? Three, 4 elements, 0, 1, 2, right? You see 30. Start element, end element, my slice. Start is 0, 1, 2. End is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Okay. 1, 2. Okay. So 12 and 30. My slice is 12, 13. Length is my slice. Capacity is 4. Okay. So let us understand. In this example, slice with length 2, which is an array of 6. The slice starts from the third element of the array, which is value 12. Remember that array index starts with 3, right? That means that 0 is the first element. That is what? 2 means 0, 1, 2. The slice can grow at the end of the array. That means the capacity of the slice is 4. If my slice started from 0, the slice capacity would be 6. So it has started from here, right? So slice capacity is 4. Create a slice with the make function. The make function can also be used to create a slice. It will be equal to length. Typo. Okay. Now let us run this so that we will understand it. So make integer and then type length capacity. Type length capacity. So length, the values are 0, no values are allocated. Length is 5, capacity is 10. So if capacity is not given as a value, it will take length and capacity same. Okay. So now let us actually use the how to access, change, append and copy slices. So we have created it is the same as what we do array access 0, 1, 2, right? Values assigned and then we are accessing. Change the elements as we see, right? You can change it and we can assign the value, and if you print that it will be the changed value. And we want to append element to the slice. For example, here the slice with the capacity of 6 and then we are printing capacity 6, capacity is also 6, right? And then append my slice 1 20 21. You see what are the values we are adding now. So append, you see slice append element 1 and element 2. You can append elements to end using the append function. Okay, capacity also increases. Okay, so that is how it is. We can append multiple slices also. Capacity will double, right? Length 6 and capacity doubles. My slices, my slice 1, my slice 2, dot dot dot, right? So that is how the syntax. For example, if you remove this, what will happen? You will understand. This is syntax. Or if you remove that, you have to add dot 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 at the end to say that we are appending the 2 slices. You see, this is how it is. So this is a 6 integer and then we are finding, and then my slice 1 1 2 3 rescaling, then appending. You see, slice, my slice 1 1 to 5, right? Copy function creates a new underlying array with only the required elements of the slice. This will reduce the memory used for the program. So when you are actually making that, use a copy function, to copy the elements. You see, copy from one array to the one slice to the other slice. Okay, so that is all. Any doubts? You do the experiments. Go to w3schools.com and then change the values, change the parameters, and get what you are actually planning, what you want. Okay, so you can get any doubts. You can have a separate question and answer sessions if anybody is interested. Okay, so we can have those things. Thanks for joining my session, and then we will discuss more in detail for during our next video sessions. And thanks for watching, and keep continue to watch for upcoming videos. And please subscribe if you are not subscribed. Like, share, subscribe, and keep watching my videos. Thank you.